hidden power of contrast. Have you ever wondered why some homes feel effortlessly expensive, while others, despite having beautiful furniture, just feel a bit flat? The secret often lies in an overlooked design principle that designers have used for centuries: the strategic use of black as a focal point. Understanding how to use this bold shade can fundamentally change the way you view your living space, turning a simple room into a sanctuary of high-end elegance. Identifying the floating furniture problem. Many homes suffer from what I call floating furniture, where a room lacks visual grounding, making the space feel unanchored and chaotic. This happens when there aren't enough dark points to draw the eye, leaving your light-colored pieces without a frame to sit within. Identifying this common mistake is the first step toward creating a home that feels curated, intentional, and deeply balanced. The psychology of visual weight. Choosing black accents isn't just a visual choice, it's a psychological one that creates a sense of stability and permanence in your environment. Black carries a unique visual weight that makes a room feel more established and secure, much like the grounded atmosphere of a historic manor. This subtle weight helps you feel more relaxed and focused, as your brain perceives the space as structured and safe. Now that we've talked about the psychological stability black can bring, I want you to take a quick look around the room you're in right now. Does it feel grounded and secure, or does it feel like your furniture is just floating in a sea of light colors? Tell me in the comments, what is the one piece of furniture in your home that you think would look 10 times more expensive if it were anchored by a bold black accent? Challenging the fear of the dark. There is a persistent myth that adding black to a room will make it feel smaller, gloomier, or even unfriendly to guests. In reality, black acts as a disappearing color that allows the other elements in your room to shine brighter than they ever could alone. By moving past this fear, you open the door to a level of luxury that only contrast can provide. Starting the design journey as we begin this transformation, I invite you to imagine walking through each corner of your home as if it were a blank canvas. We are going to move beyond the surface and explore how every decision, from layout to lighting, works in harmony to build a story of sophistication. This journey is about finding the perfect balance between light and shadow to create a truly meaningful living experience. The foundation of layout and flow. The first step in our design journey is rethinking the layout to ensure our black accents have the space they need to breathe. We want to place dark elements where they can act as anchors for the eyes, such as a black framed window or a dark console table. This creates a natural flow that guides the viewer through the room with a sense of rhythm and purpose. Welcome to IkiGriya. Here, we're not just about decorating, but about creating spaces that tell stories and inspire serenity. I believe that every corner of our home is a reflection of our life's journey. Through the small details, from our color choices to the textures we touch, we are building a legacy of comfort. Today, let's rediscover the beauty within our homes. Mastering light and shadow lighting is the heartbeat of a luxury interior, especially when you are working with the deep depth of black materials. Instead of harsh overhead lights, we use soft, layered illumination to highlight the edges of our black accents, making them glow with warmth. This interplay between light and shadow is what creates that calm, deep and calm atmosphere we often associate with high-end hotels. The rationale behind color choices. When we talk about an old money palette, we aren't just talking about black, we are talking about how black interacts with soft creams and rich woods. The rationale here is to create a high contrast look that feels timeless rather than trendy, evoking a sense of history and heritage. These colors complement each other perfectly, ensuring that the dark accents never feel cold or out of place. Selecting meaningful materials in a luxury home, the choice of material is just as important as the color, as textures carry their own emotional language. Imagine the touch of a matte black iron lamp against the soft weave of a linen sofa, or the cold polish of a black marble coaster. These varying textures invite you to experience the space through touch, adding a layer of luxury that is felt rather than just seen. warmth with natural textures to prevent a high-contrast room from feeling clinical, we must introduce natural elements like aged wood, leather, or woven wool. These organic textures act as a bridge between the bold black accents and the comfort of everyday life, making the space feel lived in. This balance is what makes a house feel like a home, a place where you can truly relax after a long, tiring day. The role of metallic jewelry. Just as a classic outfit needs jewelry, a sophisticated room needs the sparkle of metallic accents like brass or gold. These small details catch the light and provide a necessary relief from the matte depth of our black focal points. Even a simple gold picture frame or a brass handle can elevate a piece of furniture into something that looks custom and incredibly expensive. Curating with intentional decor. Decor in an old money home is never about clutter, it is about curating a few high-impact pieces that tell a story of travel and taste. A single black ceramic vase or a dark-bound book on a coffee table can act as a powerful statement without overwhelming the room. Each piece should make you feel a sense of pride when welcoming guests into your curated sanctuary. Arousing curiosity for the final transformation. You might be wondering how these individual choices, the lighting, the textures, and the metals, will finally look when they all come together. As we add the final touches, the space begins to shift from a collection of items into a cohesive, atmospheric masterpiece. The transformation is nearly complete, and the results are far more inviting than you might have ever imagined possible. The final reveal and its impact. Now, as we step back and view the final transformation, the impact on the comfort and atmosphere of the home is undeniable. The room feels grounded, expensive, and incredibly intimate, proving that you don't need a massive space to achieve a feeling of grand luxury. This harmonious environment now serves as a place for more intimate gatherings with family and a more focused workspace. reflection and community invitation. Ultimately, interior design isn't just about beautifying a room, it's about creating a more harmonious and meaningful living experience that reflects your soul. By embracing the power of black accents, you've created a home that feels as good as it looks, offering a timeless sanctuary for years to come. What are your thoughts on using black in your own home? Have you tried it? Or are you still looking for the right piece? Share your experiences or questions in the comments section below. Transforming a room is just the beginning of how we can create a more harmonious life through design. If you're inspired by these old money tips, I invite you to check out other videos on this channel to continue exploring other secrets of luxury interiors and style.